Hi, this is Mrs. M with the Janitorial Spot. We have a new series, What Our Members Are Looking For. What are our members looking for? So one of the questions we had, this is where you can actually submit a question and you want the question answered. So we had a member submit a question on, is it necessary for a cleaning business to have a business plan? I absolutely say yes. Now, there are several different types of business plans, and the ones that are a lot more costly, you may not be in the position financially, or it may be a little bit too formal for you to want to actually go through the 25-page business plan, especially if you feel at this moment you're not looking for funding. But business plans are more than just for funding. They are a roadmap of where you are, X, and where you want to go, which is Y. And when is the equal. So X times Y equals when. Where you are is your X, Y is where you want to end up, and the when is the equal sign. So if you have a business plan, this will let you know exactly who you plan to target, whether you plan to do commercial, residential. Also, if you have a business plan, it can really go into the financial areas. You can write your mission statement, your vision statement. It gives you what your projections are, but I absolutely recommend that you do a business plan, even for your cleaning business. If you've just gotten started, it's very important that you use a step-by-step procedure. Or if you've been in for a while and you're seasoned and you feel like, I want to grow to another level. If you've never done a business plan, then you might want to do a strategic planning. So if you've already done a business plan, this would be what you want to do as well. If you've never done a business plan, but you've been in business for a while, or if you've done a business plan and you're looking to grow to the next level, a strategic plan would be the best step. We actually have a program on our store, that has a business template that you can download that's specifically for cleaning businesses. So visit us at www.thejanitorialspot.com/store, S-T-O-R-E, and download for $27 our business plan template. It actually has 25 pages, very simple. You actually fill it in step by step, and it is specifically designed for cleaning businesses. We love your questions, so give us a visit or a call at www.thejanitorialspot.com or 1-800-601-2730 extension 106. Also, if you'd like to submit a question, please sign up for our weekly newsletters where you get free cleaning business resources. Also, once you've signed up for our newsletter, you will then be contacted to give us your information through customer service at thejanitorialspot.com. So when you sign up, we'll actually have your email address, and then you are allowed to submit a question that we will answer for you on this video. We're also going to put a shout out for cleaning companies. So when you submit an actual question to us, we will shout out your cleaning business and say what the question was. This will actually give you recognition for all the customers that come to us that may be looking for a cleaning in your area. So we will shout out your company name and the area where you clean. So make sure you sign up for our newsletter at www.thejanitorialspot.com/HOME. That will send you to our first page, and hopefully you'll sign up with some great questions that other members are looking for as well. This is an online community, and we like to help out as much as possible. So I hope this actual video was insightful and informative, and you have a fantastic day, and we look forward to seeing you soon.